Friends, in today's video, we'll be seeing how to highlight a particular value based on this division and this month. For that, first what we will do is, we'll give the data validation for this division and for this month. We have created the data validation for the division and month. Now we need to highlight a particular cell based on this two criteria. For that, we'll use conditional formatting. Before giving conditional formatting, we'll write down the formula here. We have to select this particular division, and this division has to move column wise. For that, we'll give in between this alphabet and number a dollar symbol is equals to this division. This one should not move, so that we will fix it completely. Next is, we have to select this particular month, and this one has to move row wise. For that, we will give before the alphabet a dollar symbol. This month, this one has to get completely fixed, so that we'll give before and after the alphabet the dollar symbol. Now close the bracket, enter. Now you can see here it has come true. Now we'll copy this complete formula and paste this formula into conditional formatting. Go to new rules and select this last option, use a formula. Paste the formula here and go to the formatting and select the color whichever you want. I will select sky blue. Now click OK, and this particular value has been highlighted based on this division and this month. Now I will change this division to west. Now you can see when I change the division to west, the value for now January month is getting highlighted. Now I'll change the month to June. Now you can see for this west division, for this June month, the value is getting highlighted. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share the link to your friends and relatives. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.